he is with her, and yes. Hey, welcome guys, welcome. Swooshi! Swooshi!
Yo, who's our players today?
Yeah.
Never mind, let's do it on the fly.
Mm-hmm. Fly,
I can't make the OBS music go through
fly.
Discord.
Take the weather
Hmm.
and go to the eye. Hey, hey. By the way, who was the other player who can't pronounce sushi? I forgot. I forgot his username here.
Isn't it me? Swooshy, swooshy. I can say it.
It's an I totally forgot. Dang it! Yay! Hey, sushi. Hey. So, yo. I will be winning today. Yeah.
Where did you, where did you see that? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. Alrighty.
You are missing, Gar. What is happening to you? Are you sick? Tell us.
I don't know if I'm sick.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm sick of this.
Gar. Gar has it. He has.
Your duty is not over.
Yeah, 7-10.
Hooray! Hooray!
Green.
Let me see.
Oh,
Let me see. I'm gonna choose.
Why?
Alright.
Why you know input bird brain?
Bird Brain. Bird Brain is not included in the first lineup. What?
Why?
My favorite driver.
Why?
Kill everyone. Did you know, guys? We have a new bot.
What? What? This is the first time hearing it. What?
It's at the event in Dubai, but it's like a smaller version of the FrodoBot of the Earth rover.
Oh.
Real rover.
Wait. Is it
What?
faster? Is it faster?
I don't know, but it's smaller.
Well, if it's smaller, then it's a little bit faster than the.
Yeah. And its
Yee.
and its center of gravity is lower, so it won't tip over as much. Yeah, regarding mini rover, I heard some conversations. Giving me some info.
Leak.
I heard that they're gonna make like what do you call this? Like a tabletop version?
Tabletop version.
Yeah, very small version.
Like a hot rod.
Yeah. You know the AI robot,
Yes.
the very expensive one.
Ooh,
I think it's
yeah.
about that size.
Oh.
I think that is made for like I don't know, couples.
No,
that was
no way.
way before. That was way before. But yeah, that new smaller Earth rover looks good. I want one.
Oh, this one. Puppy race.
yeah, that
share.
one.
This one. Oh my god.
Left.
That's so cute. It's so fluffy. No, don't throw it. It's
Minion is gonna throw that away.
Do that, bro. I will curse you.
How much was that bot? I know it's very expensive.
Yeah. I'm dreaming of owning one, but it's out of my pay grade, so... Oh no! The... No, yes!
No, yes.
No! The minion is here! No! Oh no! Minion, you go back to mama. Oh,
Mama
no.
Minion.
Mama, go to back to mama minion. Don't, or else my PC will be turned off.
Go.
No.
Mary has that small robot, right? Damn. Rich and nigga. Pigga.
What? What?
Pinoy gangster. Pigga.
What is it? I heard something with the N word. What is that? Ban
Oopsie.
Banhammer.
Be an angel.
Oh, you gotta give him that hawk too.
Ah, the curse of Hawk Tui. You heard the minion.
Here we go again.
Oh no, please minion, do not, please. Do not disturb Papa Minion. Anyway, someone's knocking at the door. What?
Who was it?
Who's that?
Yeah,
Same here. Same here. I think it was real.
Who was that? Where did it come from?
I just look at the door. I heard. Did that somebody knocked? What the heck?
Banging at the wall. Sana R.
Her. Hey, Shan is here.
Alrighty, 709.
Stokes. No.
Your duty is now over.
Yes.
Wait. What?
I'm old. No. Oh no, the minion. Minion, you go back there. Go back to Mama Minion. Come on. Thank you. That is working. Hey. Ooh. Bad bird. Bad bird.
Bad bird, good bird.
Bad bird. Oh, okay. Oh no, the boat was taken. What the
Don't
heck?
worry, bird brain. Great driving technique, bird brain. We're just constricted by rules.
The rules. We do follow the rules.
Swooshy. Alrighty. Everyone. Yeah, bird brain is in already.
Oh,
Wait, let me set up your bots. My little piggas.
hey! What the heck? I'm here again.
Where?
I'm here again. The canal.
Ollie.
What the heck?
Then Zion.
Hey.
Alrighty, setting up. Guys says. Okay, sushi is here. Ready.
We should have a soundboard of
Yeah, yeah.
engines revving.
For the meantime, we need tons of soundboards for Discord. I couldn't make music come through.
Oh, I don't have Steam Deck. Oh my god, that's for rich people. I am not rich, I am poor.
So,
Birdbrain has one. That's definitely.
Sushi, Puppy Ray. Who am I missing? Oh, Risen Crackhead.
What? I'm here. Here already. I'm at Port Louis with the canal and the birds. I'm seeing birds. Oh! Zion, we meet at last.
Something.
We meet again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more player.
We meet again, my
Bird
brother.
Brain, Sushi, Puppy Ray, Zion, Risen. Who's the sixth player?
Who's the sixth player?
Let me show you. let me show you.
Player is. But
Bird Brain is here. Look at that.
hey, yay!
Sushi is
Sushi.
here. Zion is here. Puppy Ray, Risen, Bird Brain. What's missing?
Birds, shoot,
1, 2,
Shoot.
3, 4.
birds.
Oh, he's only 5.
Yes.
Aww.
Oh, so sad.
Alrighty.
Vroom, vroom. Grabbing.
Your face there?
Up. I shake it too much. I've shaken too much. Oh, wait. Vroom, vroom.
Three, two, one, go!
This is so much fun. Oh no, the birds are pooping. Oh, why? I saw something
two.
fell from the bird.
What's this?
Holy.
Yeah.
You've chatted, it's only 5. Is it because one was fallen? Someone had fallen down. Because she is shy.
Sky? Freezing Island?
Shy. Sha-la-la-la-la.
Ah.
Ah. Zion.
Alrighty, let's check. Wow, foggy. Oh, just a smudge. Bird Brain is on a boring map. Nice.
Why are you so harsh with Bird Brain? Why? Why you do this, Car?
Look at that. There's no way he's gonna kill someone there.
Oh, the
Zion
yes.
and
That-
yeah, Zion and Risen is on the same map.
Risen.
Risen seems to be
bleeding again?
leading again and then losing at the end.
Oh no! Don't!
Sushi
Do
is
not-
on my favorite map.
Do not jinx it.
There's a hump there. Look at that.
Oh.
It looks like a hospital, right?
Hey,
And then there's a hump.
is it Gabaron? The curse
Yeah,
of
it's,
hump.
it's a hump for like grandma's on wheelchair.
The curse of
Puppy
Gabaron.
is in the chaotic map Kisumu.
Ishumu.
Yeah. That's where the chaos begins. No.
Oh! Zion, goodbye, Zion! Zion, goodbye! I'm winning this!
That's good.
I will be winning this one again!
Alright, those are great bots. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, my new bot here is not yet activated. Maybe I'm gonna activate it after I do the others.
Hey, drive test, drive test. Hey.
Do the others? What?
What?
Sana off. How about we put that soundboard in? Sana off.
Your duty is not over.
It is
Oh, you gotta give him that hawk tune.
additional soundboard, please.
Oh, bird braid. I don't know what's happening in here. Yeah, but that place is a track and field place, so it's just gonna be smooth sailing there. Sushi is done. Riding on another bot. Papa Ray is gonna take some time. Sushi, let's see. Cruising Kraken is about finished, and Zion as well.
Yes. Zion.
Already.
Eat my particles. Eat my particle dust. Particle. So tiny, you know.
Particle?
Particle. What? Huh? What?
What?
No,
What are you saying?
you don't do it. That is bad.
Alright, Sushi is back on a bot, now in Kisumi.
I'm
Already.
Hey, I'm done. Hey, going down.
What song is that? Risen Kraken. You sound like you know all the Gundam animes.
Hey, don't diss the Gundam. Do not. Gundam. Gundam. Oh no, I'm
Alright,
here again.
Risen Kraken is switching Gabaron.
No, it's not
We don't have
Gaberon.
Gabaron.
It is not Gaberon. Oh no.
Alright.
Oh yes, I am back.
Ray is done.
What the heck?
Go and watch.
Turn around, turn around, turn around. Come on.
Bushi.
Come on, you bot. Turn around. Yes, very good.
Burbrain is still in Lagos. Risen Kraken is King Oh.
I'm here again. Oh. Yes. Yes. God, did you remember last time? I'm here at this last map. Yes, I am there. Over there and over the rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh no. Ah!
Let me find
I have the
Zion.
first-
Zion is. Oh! Zion is following you. He's in King Oh as well.
Do not follow me. Oh, I have the curse right. Holy moly. The curse right.
First right.
Yes, I have the curse right.
Where's that? Zion?
Why do I have the curses? Holy moly. Oh no.
Fort Louis. What tennis?
I see people. Oh no, I see car. Stop. I see car. I stop. There you go. Very good, very good.
Zion is catching up with Risen Kraken.
I
Okay,
Yes, I stopped
Burbrain.
because of the car.
Burbrain is in Gabaron.
Gaberon the car.
Gabaron?
Try.
There,
Gabaron.
You said it. Gabaron.
Gaberone. Oh, spin.
Alrighty. Smooth sailing for everyone.
Come on, spin.
Everyone's on a quite interesting map. Cause they're not Legos. Risen and Zion saw each other, but Risen is a mile away.
Bye bye, Sayo. Bye bye.
Oopsies. Papa Ray is jerkin.
Jerk.
Yeah.
What?
The
Car?
bot is jerkin. The bot is
Car?
jerkin.
What the hell are you saying, man?
What are you saying, guys?
Admins, Gar is being disobedient.
particle dust.
What? Wait! Again with the particle! Oh my god! Admin,
Alright, bird brain. What's happening to bird brain? Moving on. What's happening to bird brain? Are you good?
yes.
Whee!
Very, very good. Oh, there's a kid and the mama. Hi, mama. Oh, oh no. No, do not.
Minions!
Do not.
Look at the baby.
Yeah, the baby. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my bad. My bad. I'm back. I'm
What's
back.
this?
I'm back.
Someone sparked outside the
The
home.
curse right
checkpoint.
is giving me problems all the time.
Let's look at Zion. Zion. Oh,
I win. I win.
Alrighter. Alrighty, sushi. Sushi seems to be done. And now is in Port Louis. I'm like doubting. Or Risen Kraken is now done and is now in Kisuru.
Hey. Oh, wait, I'm having troubles with the nav.
Birdbrain Zion as well is done. Not yet
Why
on the
I
pot.
do have the curse left and right? What the hell?
Maybe stick drift on your gamepad. Maybe.
It is you. It is.
Zion.
You're hacking my keyboard. Admins.
Alrighty. Zion is now back using Legos.
By the way,
But no,
this car is the admin. We
I
don't
have
our
access,
computers.
but I'm running out of real estate to even do anything.
Oh my.
What? Two. Your Ragnarok name?
Oh, is it the origin or the OG Ragnarok?
OG.
Hey, we are old. Holy moly!
What server were you?
I forgot.
Aren't you Fenrir as well? Came out.
What?
I couldn't transfer because I was like dying just to save up for the top uploads.
Yes. Oh my God. The top uploads.
50 pesos for 8 hours? What? What a scam. Birdbrain is now in Kisuru.
But back then, you know, it's full of fun for us. You know,
Yeah, exactly.
or like people like us. You know.
Yeah.
Yes. Holy shit. Holy moly.
And it's, yeah. Gold ring card was traded for a car.
Oh, that's too much.
Papi Ray, why is your feed not loaded?
By the way, what was the? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, lagging? Lagging on our boy.
I'm fast, boy.
Alrighty, let's see. Whoopsie.
Kisumu. What
Birdbrain.
is Kisumu, by the way?
What knit bush? Yeah. Look at that. The text
Oh,
is so
There's
so blurry. You
Hey,
know why?
who are you? Hey, who are you?
Because I made the windows very small to accommodate 10 players.
Use your extra force of 4 monitors. I know, God, you have plenty of monitors.
Apparently, it's not enough.
God is using 6 monitors at once.
I think I can't add the fourth monitor. No, I can't add the fifth one.
You can add a... What the heck?
I'm just using a laptop. I don't want to sacrifice the refresh rate. I want it.
No. Oh no, the curse of Minion! Minion!
Hooray!
Minion, you go there! You go there! Oh no 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 no! No no!
Here's the hump. Going. That's the hump I'm talking about. On Papa Ray's screen. He just passed it.
Oh, no 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 no! It's coins! Ah, I'm going to crash! I'm going to crash! Holy moly!
Sushi is done in Port Louis. That's the second map on Sushi. I lost track of the other maps.
Oh my god, I almost fell. Holy moly. Okay, I'm done. Okay, go back.
Prison Kraken is done. Sushi is done. Waiting for them to hop
Ay,
on.
nandito na yung sa likod ng ano. Ay, sorry. He's behind the door. Sorry. Sorry about that. I did not mean to.
Oopsie. Now I placed
Oh,
Sushi in the
no.
wrong place.
Oh no. Oh no. The bots are occupied. No.
Alright, let's just mirror.
Come on.
Yep, because Risen is not yet in.
Oh no, this is my curse. This is my curse. The
Bobby Ray
ability
is
of
having some connectivity issues, I think.
I just going to refresh, right?
Yeah, yes.
Sorry for
Bird Brain is about
my
finished.
language, by
This
the way,
is
guys.
Bird Brain's third map, right? If I'm not, yes, I am mistaken.
What the heck? What are you talking? Oh, okay.
Alrighty, Bird Brain is done.
Oh no, the bot is occupied.
Not yet on a bot. Zion. is-
Why are you all occupied? What the heck? Come on! Again.
Oh, because it's your last map. You were leading
Yes.
earlier.
Yes, they're... Gar, you're hacking me! Why?
No,
Gar!
Bird Brain is now in Port Louis. What?
Gar, stop it, please! Let me play!
Look at that! Look, I'm switching screens. I can't possibly sabotage you.
Oh,
Or
okay,
can I?
thank you, baby! That's for two. There we go, come on. No!
Bro? Bro! Dino Cornel.
Dito
Partikul.
Cornell! Oh, yeah. Yes.
I don't have a lot of laptops.
Yes, you have a lot of laptops. Yes, I'm in.
Risen is in.
Finally, come on! Let's go. I'm spinning slowly.
Poppy Ray is done.
Oh!
Oh,
what happened?
that? What happened to you?
Oh no, Gaberon.
Oh, you
Curse.
didn't give him that hawk tune.
Gaberon. Refreshing.
Sushi seems to be already done. Also in
I'm
King
refreshing.
Hong Oh. Alrighty. Can't.
Something's wrong with the bot.
Yeah, I can't.
Pero-
We can't see his feed yet.
Oh, Sushi is done.
Sushi is done.
Something.
Papa Ray is on 3. Zion is on 3. Birdbrain is there on 3. Swoosh done with third map.
There's a problem with the bot in Gaberon. It's pitch black. I don't know.
Gabaron.
Shall I terminate or what? No.
Okay.
Go to Lagos.
Cabaret is in King Ang.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
going to Lagos. Come on, Lagos. Come on, Lagos. Lagos.
Lagos.
Ah.
You were about to win.
The curse of Gaberon!
The curse of the minion.
I should have had started it. I'm still having problems with bots. Why?
Alrighty, let's see. Sushi done, right?
Okay, shall I terminate? Or what? Because I'm still black screen. Okay, F5. Okay, F5 again. Still black. Mamalo na.
Or poop.
Oh, echo.
Alrighty.
Oh, no. Zion has
Kraken,
problems.
it's not moving.
I don't have. I don't have black. It's black. Same here. Neon.
Bourbon is smooth sailing. Zion, some issues. Papa Ray is actually about to finish.
Come
And
on.
Risen is stopped.
Come on. Not again.
Why are we laughing? We're supposed to be helping. What?
God, it's your fault. You're sabotaging me.
Papa Ray is done.
Oh, Gaberon, come on. Please. Oh no, someone's in Gaberon as well. Why?
Now
I
Zion
think
is
I got
back.
the fifth place again. If only.
Hooray. So, Bourbon is done. Zion is done.
Like all I can do is cry. Why? Why Gaberon? It's Zion and me. Why?
Look at that.
What the
Going.
Mine is
Okay, refreshing on Risen.
Yes,
Hello,
I'm
mission
refreshing.
spotted.
I'm refreshing again. I'm refreshing again. It's all black screen. Holy moly.
Oh my
Car,
god.
why are you doing this to me? You're torturing me.
Look,
Car,
I'm switching the views. See that? See that?
Car, why? Why? I'm so unlucky. Why
You were supposed to win.
every time? Every time. That means help. Help. I've been cursed again by Car.
I'm not doing anything.
You're doing something.
Try to plug and plug his controller.
I'm using a keyboard and mouse. There's no controller here. Holy moly. Push me, Sushi, push me.
Gabarong.
Holy, oh no. God,
Look at this 1v1 race.
Oh my god,
Actually, Reason Kraken is actually nearest to the starting point.
But
Terminate!
okay, terminate. Terminate drive, I understand.
Okay.
Why you do this? Why
You're
you
still
do
gonna
this,
fight?
Gaberon?
Come on. Hey. I think Zion is still far away from the home point. You could still beat him.
Oh no! Not enough credit. No! I don't have enough credits. Holy moly, no! No!
Look at that speedometer. That's so big.
Why? Ah!
Did you adjust the size of your browser?
I'm so
200.
yes! What? Where am I? Okay. I'm moving!
Moving!
I'm moving for.
Moving! Let's check, let's check. Did it?
I'm moving.
Ta-da! He's moving!
I'm.
Congratulations, Risen Kraken, you're moving.
Yeah.
But Zion is already done.
GG.
Of course, of course.
Don't watch me. Don't. Why am I stopping? Why? First, you got the
Alright, alrighty.
What?
See, look at that hump. Look at that hump. That's for grandmas with wheelchairs.
Yes.
Because they be racing
Oh
here.
my god. Support me.
Look at that. Dinky Dama.
Support. Why?
Did you record this? Did you record this, Des? I think this is better. Hold on to this, the Friday one.
Don't watch me. This is a shame.
You're the highlight.
I'm the highlight. There's a car. Why is there? You don't park here. You asshole. You. Ah. Why you park there? You son of a gun.
Yeah. Make a highlight on this. Oh yeah, yeah. You can.
Content.
This is stream.
You son of a guns. Don't make content. You're shaming me.
Our reason is our best driver. No, he's actually a good driver, but he's just unfortunate.
Oh, Smushy adding insult to injury. Oh my god. Sushi, I will
What's the
come
name
back
of
for
that
you.
guy? The
I remember
samurai
you.
who never won anything.
Here you go.
There's a samurai who never won anything, but he's actually good.
Oh wait, is that from
You know that
the
in
a
Record of
manga
Ragnarok.
called? Yeah, yeah, I know that. I know that one.
Yeah,
I forgot the name of the samurai, by the way.
that's you. You're a good driver, but you're.
Okay.
You, do you know Samurai X? What's his last sword technique?
I'm
Articon?
done. I'm done.
Oh, you're about to finish, and
I'm
you
done.
stop. Oh,
I
there.
am done. I am done.
Alrighty. And is out of the bot immediately.
I am done.
Why am I laughing? It's not supposed to look like that. Alrighty. Thank you for joining, guys. See you again
GG.
after a few days.
Hey, tag me here. Tag me here, okay?
When you
Okay.
when you upload this, can you add some music?
Yeah, like that one.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck.
Birdbrain has his own streaming site. The murder. Boom, boom. Zion is here as well. Oh, let me check. Congrats, reason for moving in Gabaron.
No, please stop.
Particle. Particle beam.
You eh?
Our German and
Hey.
Russian friends won't understand what we're saying if we kept saying particle.
Ow.
Oh.
Don't pass to me. Don't pass it to me, huh? Don't. That will be graphic.
Particle, yes.
Hey.
Vidya. How about Vidya? Video call. Video call.
Buko juice. GG's.
GG's, everyone.